Okay, ready, set, go! Oh.
Oh my god.
Hi guys, today we're gonna open Monopoly Singapore edition. Hey, don't sleep! Singapore edition. This one you have to... Hey!
You
No, I sit here.
You have to count money and all.
Well, it's
Go! Oh.
oh my god, look at that.
Yeah, it's the house there. The small house. Oh. This one.
Here's the structures.
Okay, wait. I know.
What's that?
It's new.
Huh?
Then this is the money that you will need.
It is new.
Oh yeah.
After mango.
Singapore edition. I
Yeah.
bought the new one. This one, each of you will get like $1. $1 will be.
What you're showing to Lord, you're showing
$1 will be 10. Then after that, each of you each get. Yeah.
Monopoly.
I don't know. I forgot how much.
What is this for?
This is the board.
This is the board, guys. See. Hi, mister. The one behind is she's bored. This is the board, she's bored. He's bored. Don't continue. This is the board here.
So this one, see Bishan MRT lah, Toa Payoh,
Yeah.
Ang Mo Kio,
So
Woodlands.
all the places
Let's
in
find
Singapore,
Yishun.
right?
Yishun. No, Yishun is
Ew.
here, right?
Yeah.
Yishun.
Holland lah.
City Hall. I cannot find Yishun.
Sentosa ya?
Bidadari?
Bidadari? Maybe not.
Got mah? I never been there.
Right?
Okay, this one
They have Yishun.
don't have.
They forgot, right? You forgot Yishun.
So sad. That's where we stay.
Word
Man.
line. They have Yishun lot.
Okay, let's see. Where's the...
Wow! Scare!
Oh, yeah, I was correct. No lah, I said 10.
What's time?
Pretty close.
No!
Yeah. Each of you will get this. Then,
No, but
oh yeah, then this one. Okay, let me just open it so you guys will understand. That's money.
Well, I can't do it.
Okay, the small house. Small house is what? I forgot lah.
Okay, this is MJ. I feel it's
Alright, let me see. Oh, I found it. Oh my god.
It scared you.
Yeah, I know. Eh? Okay. This go when you pass or land on the post space, collect 200 from the bank. Over here. The bank. The bank. Okay, the remaining money you put here is the bank. If you go here. Forgot.
Then what's that for?
I think it's you.
Huh? What's that?
I forgot.
12 years later, after trying to figure out what's it for.
Cut. Then for here. And for here.
It's here. This is the manual. Goes like this. Set it up. See? You don't want to set it up. This is how you're going to set it up.
Okay, let's see. Then this one. Wait, I see first.
It's for you to do this.
Oh! This one lah. This one is us. You choose which one you wanna be.
What?
See, it's each player choose a token and place it on go. This is where you start. Then this one the dice you roll, and after that you go. Then oh yeah, now I remember how to play.
I remember.
Then you go.
Because of no toy.
What you mean?
You know McDonald's one?
Yeah,
It's not.
the same. It's not the same.
Yeah.
It's not the same. It was the same, but it was really small. Okay, I'm gonna choose cat. There's a cat.
Ah, I want the cat.
Okay, wait. Let me show you the people. I mean, yeah, the token. This is the cat.
This is.
Can you see? Oh, it's a hat. Look, Daddy, it's a hat.
No, I can fit on my finger.
Yeah. Oh, dinosaur. Then the boat.
Somebody has to be the banker.
Yeah. Somebody. No. Yeah. Me. I don't know. Penguin. Oh no, penguin. So cute.
He has
What's
to play
this?
4%.
Zebra. Is it? Oh yeah, it is. Duck. What's that? Racing car? Racing car?
So small.
I know. So can fit lah inside all the go together. Okay. Alright. I cannot.
That's a lot. How many people do you use?
No.
This green and red.
Okay, then this one, and this one.
The blue.
Take the top card from the matching deck, and immediately do what it says. Return it to the bottom of the deck when done. Bottom of the deck. Okay, then this one, you see what's the ring? Can you find the ring? Oh, there. And the dot. Can you see the dot? Queenstown. The dot like this. Income tax. Oh, I found it. This one and this one. The super tax. This one. And income tax.
Go now.
Pay the bank the amount shown on the space. Oh, okay, now I remember. Free parking. This one. Relax. Nothing happens. Okay.
Stop.
Just visiting, don't worry. If you land here, you put your token on the. Just go to jail. Over here.
Yes, I
Move
know.
your token on the jail spacey. Do not collect 200 from me. Your turn is then over. Can still collect rent. How do I get out of jail?
You have
If you do, you're free. Oh, oh, now I remember. Okay, let's see.
bowl.
Jukun.
Pink.
Jukun. Collect your sets. What's this? Pink?
Yes. Oh, baby, it looks like purple. I don't know.
It's pink. It's pink. This one is purple. Oh, blue. I don't know.
That's blue. Why do you make it blue? This is one of the colors.
Alright. Let's open this one, alright? Okay, now hold. You have to
I can see you. Hi, Kakak Nini.
Hi Nor. Then this one will be the
Here
bank.
we go.
The bank.
Really, I'm going to go.
Okay.
This one. How much is per person to give?
Over here inside. There. You need some. Alright.
Let's see what happens. Okay.
Okay.
So we will play later. I will be the banker. Mommy will
Alright.
be
Then
the-
it be the banker. Wow, it's so nice.
Why it's like that?
Yeah, I know.
Colorful and nice
Yeah.
and orange.
This is orange.
White,
And this one put back together. This is the
green, purple,
The orange one
I mean
is
peach and orange.
the money into see.
Like that. Maca.
Makha.
Wow, so nice.
I know,
that's how you
right?
play. So I'll be the banker and somebody will play.
Maybe
Now-
maybe
Then it's not ready, then just